Success didn't arrive like a celebration. It knocked softly, politely, like it wasn't sure it was welcome. And I heard it. That's the part that still stings. I heard the opportunity in casual conversations, in invitations I almost ignored. In those moments when my name was mentioned and my heart started racing for all the wrong reasons, I kept telling myself I wasn't ready, that I'd open the door next time when I felt braver or smarter or more deserving. So I stayed quiet and the knocking continued. One was a chance to speak up in a meeting. Another was a project offer that scared me more than failure ever had. Another was a big risk disguised as a new responsibility. Every single time, fear answered the door before my courage could even stand up. And fear was so convincing. It whispered, what if you disappoint them? What if they realize you're not actually enough? What if this changes everything in a bad way? So I stayed behind the door, just rehearsing these imaginary futures while real ones were waiting right outside. Then one day, the knocking stopped. Not suddenly, but slowly, like the sound of footsteps walking away. And that silence was so much louder than any rejection I had ever faced. It was in that quiet moment that I realized something both painful and incredibly freeing. Success had unrejected me. I had rejected it first. That night, I stood in front of that same door, not a real one, but the one inside my mind. I finally understood the truth I'd been avoiding. Success doesn't demand your confidence. It just demands a response. It rewards movement. So, when the next knock came in, it was much quieter than before. It didn't let myself think. My hands were shaking. My old excuses were screaming in my head. My fear was begging me to just stay safe. But I opened the door anyway. It looked like responsibility, like being exposed, like learning everything out in the open. It looked like the very real possibility of failing where everyone could see me. But it also looked like growth. I didn't win immediately. I stumbled. I doubted myself. I almost slammed that door shut again more than once. But this time, I stayed. And that's when everything started to change. I learned that fear doesn't just disappear when success arrives. It actually arrives with it. The only difference is who you let answer the door. Now, when opportunity knocks, I don't wait for courage to feel loud. I just move while it's still a whisper. Because success doesn't break down doors. It knocks, and it doesn't wait forever. Thanks for watching.